In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Now tap on the icon of it at the top. Select Open in split screen view and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, go back into background apps and swipe them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!